Assalamualaikum friends, in this video I will show you how to receive this contact form data to your email address with file attachment using PHP mail function. This contact form will allow you to attach multiple file format like image file, PDF and MS Word document file. First of all, I quickly show you how this form is working. First of all, I want to show you a quick demo how this contact form is working. Let's fill out the form quickly. This is the subject line the user will fill out. Next, this is the message. User will write the detailed message here. Let's attach an attachment image file here. Now finally submit the form to get email in your email inbox. The message was sent successfully. Now refresh your email inbox. You can see that I have received the email from this contact form. This is the user contact form data I have just filled out, and this is the attachment image file. Now I want to show you how to use this contact form. Now I am hosting this contact form in my GoDaddy web hosting server under this domain name. Now go to your cPanel dashboard and now go to file manager. Inside the file manager, go to public_HTML folder. Any file inside the public_HTML folder will be displayed in browser. Now let's create a new folder inside the public_HTML folder. I write the folder name form with attachment. You can write any name here. Now go inside this newly created folder. First of all, create a new folder here with the name of uploads. Any attachment file will be uploaded in this folder and then will be delivered to your email address by the web hosting server. Create this folder and next create a new file with the name of index.php. Inside this file we will write the HTML code of the contact form. Create this file. Next, create a new file with the name of style.css. Next, create a new file with the name of mail.php. This file will contain all the PHP code of mail function to receive contact form data to your email address. These are all my project files. Now I open my Visual Studio Code Editor. I want to connect my code editor with the live web hosting server. Just press Ctrl+Shift+P and I using the FTP simple extension to directly access the remote directory in my local code editor. I open my website server and now select this newly created folder form with attachment and now open this whole directory I have just created in my web hosting server. Now the data is being downloaded to my local code editor. You can see that now I have access to all my website files. This is the index.php and these are all the project files. Next, I have to paste the code inside these files. Now go to this blog post. You can get the link inside the video description. I have write a detailed article about how to create PHP contact form to receive email in your email address. You can write this instruction here. Now I am going to copy the code, source code, one by one. First of all, copy the HTML code, this whole HTML code of the contact form, and paste this code inside the index.php file. Now save this file by pressing Ctrl S. Next, I want to copy the CSS source code. Copy this whole CSS source code by pressing double click. Copy this source code and paste this CSS code inside the style.css file. Save this file. This file will be directly saved to your remote server. Now at the last, copy the whole PHP source code of PHP contact form. I copy the source code and paste this PHP code inside the mail.php file. This is the whole PHP script which will enable you to receive contact form data. Here, this is the recipient email. Replace your email address here where you want to receive the contact form data. I am going to write my own email address where I want to receive the contact form data into my email inbox. This is my email address. You need to put your own email address here. This PHP mail script will enable you to attach multiple files. You can attach PDF, docs file and any image file easily with this contact form. Now I want to open this contact form in my web browser. Just copy this folder name which I have created earlier and paste this folder name just aside my domain name. And this is the contact form I have opened in my browser. Let's first quickly fill all the fields of the form to get this contact form in my email address. This is the subject line and this is the detailed message of the user. Now attach any attachment image file. You can attach a PDF or image file here. Now submit the form. This will take 2 to 3 minutes to receive email address in your email inbox. Your message was submitted successfully. This is the confirmation message. Now I go to my email inbox and refresh the email inbox. Let's wait 2 to 3 minutes to receive email in your inbox. You can see that I have just received an email with attachment, and this is the username I have just put in the form, and this is the user email address which send the email, and this is the contact form detail here I have just put earlier in the contact form.